Hello everyone! Welcome to Jodoo. This is Roxanne. Today, let's explore the core feature of Jodoo Workspace. This feature not only allows you to customize structure of your works freely, but also greatly enhances your work efficiency. Let's dive in and see how Workspace can revolutionize the way you work. So, firstly, on the left of the page, it is Workflow Center. Members and admins are both accessible to it. In My Tasks, you can view and handle all of your tasks. In Initiated, you can see tasks in progress and completed separately. In Processed, there is a list of processed tasks. In CC Me, all messages copied to you will be displayed in a list. Click Initiate Workflow, you can view all of your workflows and choose the one you want to initiate. Secondly, in the center of the page and occupying a significant portion is the App Group section. Members can view all apps, while admins have the ability to add, edit, and delete apps. By clicking on New App, you can rename it, select a group, and customize the icon to your liking. Furthermore, you can organize existing apps into categories by dragging and dropping. Clicking on the gear icon allows you to edit, move, copy, or delete existing apps easily. What's more, for admins, Jodoo allows you to customize the layout of your workspace. By clicking on the button, you can access the Setup Default Workspace feature. Upon entering this page, you will see a list of available page components on the left-hand side, while the right-hand side is dedicated to customization options. Let's take a closer look at the features available for customization. In the Shortcut component, an app and website can be added for easy access. The Charts component can directly display dashboards in Workspace, which is convenient for employees to view and manage data directly. You can add a chart component to the Workspace and select the corresponding dashboards. In the Rich Text component, Jodoo Workspace can push and promote news notifications and announcements through text. After adding a rich text component, click this button to edit the text content and click this button to adjust the color. In the Banners component, you can add images that will be played back in a loop in Workspace. My Favorites enables you to add dashboards, forms, and apps. In the My Charts component, you can add your own charts according to actual business demands, making it easy to quickly access the dashboard and to view and process relevant data. If you have more questions, you can refer to the link on How to Customize Workspace. Clicking on this link will redirect you to the relevant documentation that provides detailed descriptions of each feature, including their functionality, step-by-step instructions, and important notes to consider. After exploring the main sections of the workspace, let's shift our focus to the icons in the top right corner of the workspace. Template Center offers a wide range of templates for administrative and workflow management that are needed in various industries. These templates comprise well-designed forms, workflows, and dashboards. Beginners without a solid foundation can choose and utilize templates from the Template Center for their operations. Contacts helps you collect, analyze, share, and view data and control permissions through team cooperation. This bell button is the Messages section. In Messages, you can deal with your message and data, system logs, usage, event and news, collaboration, and settings. This button is the Help section. When you click on the question mark icon, you'll be greeted by a wealth of resources in the Help section. Here, you'll find various ways to tackle any issues you encounter in Jodoo. By now, you've got a good grasp of the features in the workspace. It's time to unleash your creativity and personalize your workspace to make it a perfect fit for you. If you like this video, you can subscribe our channel. There are more how-to videos to help you get started with speed and ease.